Hi everyone, welcome back. So this video we are going to talk about links and how to change the style of the link. We can see here we are going to talk about the link status. We are going to inspect the default style of the link, change the link style, and then we create a simple menu. So first thing we're going to talk about are the link status. You can see it here. So these are we are going to apply these features later. We will write some features. A link can be an A can for example this feature we can write color etc. Is applied to each A that are there in your code. This feature will be applied only to all the A that have an href. So maybe now it doesn't have it. If you write something on it, it will have the feature that you will write here. Then a link can be visited. So once you have visited the link, is once you visited the link, this feature will be applied. This is the status of the link, no? And then hover is when once you with your controller you pass on it, like now. All this window has opened on hover, and active is when you click on the link. Another one that I forgot is a focus. A focus, and I copy the square brackets, and these I'm just going to show you to show this on. I'm just going to show it because it's just more simple. Let's go on our code, and this is our simple link. Let's inspect it. Let's inspect it with our tool. Maybe do like this, not like this, and here not. Okay. So body. Here we can see the default properties of our link. It has a color. It has a text decoration underline that was a bit predictable, and we have cursor pointer because once you see here, no, if my cursor becomes a hand, if I go on it, and this is made by this, and it seems to be very simple, but you must consider these things because if you will create a link by yourself etc., you might be in need of using this cursor pointer property. Then you can force a status on during the code. Sorry, it's in Italian anyway. This is saying force status, and for example, now we are forcing active status, and it changes, or force status on focus, force status. No, it changes everything anyway. You understood. You can change the status to see how it's going, if your color has been applied, simply by going here and change it from the tools. Now I want to write some colors to I want to write some colors on our uh, on our uh, on our link. Perfect. So now we can see it in action. I made some very strange colors, I think. So now we have, I think it's already on some forced state. So let's remove the state. No, it's not. So as you see here, the link itself, yes, it's the worst color ever. Link. Anyway, as you can see here, if I go on it, it changes. If I click, which is now this is active, so if I click it, it changes state, and if I go on it, it changes slightly the color. And what else? On focus, focus, you can see it from here on the tab. If I go on tab, you have saw it, no? Um, anyway, yes, it changes color too. Um, on hover, and yes, now it doesn't have. Let's do like this, and see if it changes the color. It should change the color. Exactly, it changes the color, because before I didn't put the href, but now it has changed the href, etc., etc. Yes, it looks a little better than before. Sorry, cannot get fantastic. Anyway, this is what I wanted to show you about the links. This all this feature on hover, on focus, active, and etc. And it's all that we have to do with the links. Now I want to show you how to create a little simple menu with the backgrounds, etc. So now let's make this menu. I already cleaned up the screen on a cut. So let's create an ordered list. Inside we place a list, then we place a, and then we place href, let's say something, just two, and then menu. Okay, let's repeat this 5 times. Let's make about, let's make information, contact, support. Okay, so this is our baseline. Let's have a look just to see. And here is the old non-beautiful list of links. So what are we going to do to make it a little more beautiful? First things, so let's um, first things, let's work on the unordered value. So ul, let's take the parentheses. Sorry, but me, I'm still, I'm still stupid. I hope you are too, in a way, because I feel ridiculous. I still need to copy and paste the parentheses. Anyway, list style type equal to none, and I hope you remember what it does. I removed the dots, so no dots. Then let's go on le display inline, and even this I think is predictable. So now we have a menu that is inline. Let's work on A, that I don't know, I deleted it. Anyway, A, text decoration. A, I think I missed something. A double dots. Text. A, sorry. The what is important. Sorry, I was making a terrible mistake. Text decoration, and we place it with none. And here I don't even show you on the screen because it's almost, you can't see anything, but it removes, let's see. And it's the same as before, but it has removed maybe the style from the things. Then we are going to go on the things that you see most. Background color. Why? Background color black. Let's show. And now it's black. Of course, I don't like those. I don't like the color of the things. But before, let's place a padding here. Really needed. Padding. 10 px. Okay, you know what it does. And now I'd rather work on the A and A color white. Now let's have a look. And now it's readable. Now it's readable, and I made the bottoms a little more bigger. Now let's work on the blur of the colors. A on hover. Let's take A on hover, and we do background color, and now I take black. But what I want here is just to settle it as I want. But let's see if this can be a good color for our on hover. So now if I go on hover, it's doing like this, and yes, I don't know why it's not doing on all. Okay, anyway, background color, A focus outline. Let's see the focus also. As you see, I could okay, wait a second. I want to fix this because as you see, it's just focusing here. So I remove the padding because I don't like it. It makes it less. It didn't make anything good. And now you can see it's more better. So the tab, it does like this. Let's try to make it a little more on focus. Let's make it like we want. So first let's do like we want outline none, so that thing disappears. So if I do like this, I'm doing it, but it's not working. It does nothing. And A active, background color, let's say brown. Okay, anyway, and as you see, if I press it, it does what it does. And yes, here it is. More or less, we have seen some features of how you can change the menu as you want, etc., to make it more to create a menu that looks beautiful and works, etc. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you keep watching, and see you then.